Good morning, students. If you are given P is equal to 6, x plus 2, 5, and 10, it's a singular matrix. How will you work out this? Okay, so you can go ahead and try it. I will soon come back. All right. Since they say P equal to 6, x minus 2, 5, and 10, it's a singular matrix. Find the value of x. So since they say it's a singular matrix, that means the determinant equal to 0, right? So how do you find the determinant? We multiply the 6 times the 10 minus 5 x plus 2. So 6 times 10 will give me 60. Then 5 times 10 will give me 5, negative 5x. Negative 5 times this will be negative 10 is equal to 0. Then we come down, we say negative 5x is equal to negative 60 plus 10. We get negative 5x is equal to negative 50. X is equal to negative 50 over negative 5. We get positive 10. Right. So let's go back to the original question. This is the original question. It's a singular matrix. Find the value of x. We have this side, determinant is equal to 0. Work it out and we get that. So our final answer should be positive 10. When you put 10 here, 10 times 10 plus 2 will give me 12. 12 times 5 will give me 60. Then 6 times 10 also give you 60. 60 minus 60 will give you 0. So that means our determinant will be equal to 0. Okay, so what about if you are given 3x squared minus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0? And we have been asked to solve it. So the first thing that I've done is we multiply the 3 times the 2, which will give you 3 times 2 give you 6. Then we have 3 and 2 and negative 6 and negative 1. Okay, 3 times 2 will give me 6, but it can never give me 7 if I add or subtract. Negative 6 and 1. When I multiply those two, I'm going to get negative. I'll get negative. When I multiply this times this, I'll get positive 6. But when I add these two, I should get negative 7. So we are going to say that in 3x squared minus 6x minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. Right. Then we are going to get, we break the common factor 3x, we get x minus 2. We are left with negative 1 bracket x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then I will say, I'll group the outside one in one bracket and the common factor right here is equal to 0. Then I would have worked 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to 0 plus 1. 3x equal to 1. So x1 is equal to 1 over 3. Then on the other hand, x minus 2 is equal to 0. I get x equal to 0 plus 2. X is equal to 2. So this is what we have.